Get excited about the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.